Hello friends, I'm Ramesh Panikar on behalf of KNA. We are today discussing test exam 10 for repeaters. Alright, this paper is okay, comparatively is of a higher level. Comparatively, it is of higher level, uh, but not that higher. Okay, now look at question number 46. if the unit cell if the unit cell of a mineral has a CCP array of oxygen, so from the statement it is clear that CCP or FCC is formed by oxygen. Means oxygen is present at all the corners and oxygen is present on all the faces. All right, so now it says that m fraction of octahedral voids m fraction of octahedral voids occupied by aluminium 3 positive, and n fraction is occupied of tetravoids are occupied by magnesium. All right, we have to find out the m and n values. So the point is, say we have O2 negative at CCP, that means the value of oxygen is 4, that is at all the corners 8 into 1 by 8 equal to 1, and all the faces 6 into 1 by 2 equal to 3. Now since we have 4 oxide ions, it will produce 4 octavoid and 8 tetravoids. Alright, now since O2 negative is 4, the negative charges is 8 negative, and to nullify it we need 2 Al3 positive, so it is 6 positive and 1 magnesium 2 positive, so it is 2 positive, so 2 in 2 plus 6 8 positive. So we need 2 Al3 positive, and it is mentioned that Al3 positive occupied octavoid, and how many octavoids are there? 4. Out of 4, 2 are occupied, so 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. Alright, so this is the fraction m. And as far as magnesium is concerned, out of 8 tetrahedral void produced, only 1 is occupied by magnesium, so it is 1 by 8. So the correct answer is 1 by 2 and 1 by 8. Look at question number 47. It says KCl crystallizes in NaCl type of structure. So NaCl is we know that is means radius ratio value for NaCl is around 0.474 to 0.732. All right, so radius of Na positive upon radius of Cl negative value is given, and for KCl it is given. We have to find out the ratio of the sides of unit cells of KCl to that of NaCl. So for NaCl it is Na positive by Cl negative, it is given 0.55, and for K positive and Cl negative 0.74. Alright, now if you add 1 to both sides, it is 1.55, and it is R of Na positive upon R of Cl negative plus 1. So we can say it is R of Na positive plus R of Cl negative upon R of Cl negative. That is 1 plus 0.55 is 1.55. Similarly for KCl, in this equation, if you add 1 to both sides, you get this relation. Now we want to find out this value upon this value. Alright, if this equation 2 is divided by equation 1, if 2 is divided by 1, we get K positive plus Cl negative, this is cancelled. Alright, it is 1.74 upon 1.55, so we get 1.23. Okay, so this is question number 47. Now look at question number 48. Question number 48. It is comparatively a simple question. Question number 48. A solid compound contains X, Y and Z. Alright, X, Y and Z, and X occupy corners. So if X occupy corners and Y at body center and Z at faces, what is the formula? So it is very simple question. X at corners, so 8 into 1 by 8 equal to 1. Y in the body center 1, Z face center, it is 3. So X, Y, Z 3. Correct answer is second option, 48. 47, correct answer is first option. Question number 49. We want to convert this OMe at para position and CHO. It is treated with the X and in the presence of sodium acetate. So it is very clear that it is Perkins reaction. Perkins reaction is a reaction of benzaldehyde with the anhydride, aliphatic anhydride, in the presence of sodium salt of that carboxylic acid, which creates or which forms that anhydride. Alright, so it is acetic anhydride, excess acetic anhydride, and with benzaldehyde we get cinnamic acid, and here we have a substitution at para position, that is it. OMe at para position, so this is having alpha hydrogen and hydride having alpha hydrogen. So this is just like aldol condensation, but between aromatic aldehyde and anhydride containing alpha hydrogen in the presence of sodium acetate. So we get this product finally this is hydrolyzed, so that this COCH3 is converted to OH. So this is the product, final product. 48, correct answer is second option. 49, correct answer is third option. 50, Itard reaction. Itard reaction is benzaldehyde, preparation of benzaldehyde from toluene. It is treated with CrO2Cl2 in CCl4 or carbon disulfide. CrO2Cl2 in CCl4 and followed by hydrolysis. So initially it forms a complex, that is why benzaldehyde is not further oxidized. Now this is retard reaction. This is very important reaction, you must remember. Alright, 50, correct answer is first option. Look at question number 5.1. The enol form of acetone after treatment with D2O gives. Enol form of acetone is this, alright, and if it is treated with the D2O, this hydrogen gets substituted by D. So this is converted to HOD and this is converted to this compound. Alright, 51, correct answer is first option. Look at 52, question number 5.2. It is salicylaldehyde, reaction of salicylaldehyde with the compound containing active hydrogen atom. So it can be many, like it is basically reaction of carbonyl compounds having compounds containing active methylene group. This is called active methylene group, and here you may find CN or CHO or COCl, both same or different, anything. So this is called active methylene group. So initially this what happens, initially this hydrogen is removed by the C2H5O negative, that is a base. Alright, like this. So this species is with the extra pair of electron, that is negatively charged, and benzaldehyde having benzene ring attached to OH, and this is benzene ring. Alright, this movement, negative positive charge over this positive charge, this electron pair attacks. Alright, and then we get this product, okay, O negative, it is converted to OH, like the ethane ETO negative initially takes hydrogen and it is converted to ETOH, and again it takes back, so it is converted to OH. All right, and then this is hydrolyzed, the whole product is hydrolyzed, so it is converted to, this is the removal of ethanol, and we get this product. Okay, benzene ring, at ortho position we have OH, and at carbon we have this OH. All right, this OH and COO, C2H5, and this is COH, and this acidic group reacts with the alcoholic group to produce this kind of cyclic ester. All right, and finally this hydrogen HOH is substituted, so we get a double bond at this position. So this is the mechanism, complete mechanism. So do not expect this much lengthy question. You may find a question up to this point. All right, this product, not more than that. Anyway, look at question number 5.2. Correct answer is fourth option. Now 53. Look at question number 5.3. 5.3 is again a very lengthy question, so let us discuss in the next section.